In this video, I am going to show you how to download a voice message from Messenger on Facebook. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just go ahead, open up your Messenger or your Facebook, and then after that, just go to the conversation. You want to download the voice message from, go ahead to the conversation, right-click on the audio, and then click on Inspect. After that, just give it a moment to load, as you can see. Click on Network. Now, after you have clicked on Network, you should see here all the links for the audio. So if you don't see them, just restart your URL page, as you can see. So now just give it a moment and they will pop up just like this. Then choose the audio, play it, and it will pop up for you. Just double-click on it and it will install on your PC. As you can see at the top right, they are installed and you can play them right now. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.